Hello and welcome to another video from the Marketing Study Guide. In this video I'm going to show you how we convert data if we have market research data in different scales. So from time to time we do research surveys and we might capture data in 1 to 7 or 1 to 10 or 1 to 5, and we want to compare perhaps studies or show results on the same graph, but because the data is scaled differently, we're not really sure what to do. Now we simply just can't multiply it. So we have data in a 1 to 5 scale and we wanted to put it into a 1 to 10 scale. We would think, well, we just times it by 2. Yes, 5 becomes 10, which makes sense, but the 1 becomes a 2. And suddenly it's from the absolute bottom of the scale and it's moved up a fraction. And the same thing happens, all the numbers in the middle, they don't align properly. So how do we do it? Okay, I've got a formula here for you. I've also got a template in the link below that you can use and just do it automatically. But if you want to know the mathematics behind it, here is the formula and I'll work through it. So the data point that we want to rescale, so all the numbers that we want to rescale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever we're looking at, minus 1 multiplied by the maximum of the new scale divided by the maximum of the old scale. So I've got y, z, both always minus 1, and then plus 1 at the end. So let's work through an example. So we have a data point of 4, and it's on a scale of 1 to 5. So it's 4 out of 5, and we want to convert that to a something out of 7. What is that? So we plug in the data point is 4, so 4 is x, minus 1. The maximum of the new scale is 7, so it's 1 to 7. So that comes 7 minus 1. And the maximum of the old scale, it used to be in a 1 to 5 scale, so it's 5. And then plus 1, so continue across. 3 times 6 divided by 4 plus 1 gives us 5.5 on a 1 to 7 scale. So hopefully that makes sense for you. And obviously there's a link to a template that allows you to do it automatically. I include it in my perceptual map template because the map is built on a 1 to 9 scale, and often people do not have the data in that scale. We need to rescale it, so that's how you go about doing it. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel.